On this vehicle, what comes to mind is performance, capability, and fun. Allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon in billet silver. It comes equipped with LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, a remote start system, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. There are only 30,000 miles on the odometer on this vehicle. It comes equipped with an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation, rear backup camera system, dual zone temp control, adaptive cruise control, rear 60/40 folding seats. It comes equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocgd.com and search stock number 30019A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.